inside there's 12 pencils. And if you open it, there are 12 pencils here. And then hello guys, we are at the Hassan Book Center, and now let's explore it. Let's see what we can find. These are wrapping papers here, and look, as you can see, there are so many books everywhere. So let's walk inside. We have these pencil cases, and we have all of this. This is all arts and crafts books, and the colours that kids can do as well. And we have all these books, revision books and learning books. There's so many books here, and we have got things you can do for kids. Over there we have all these stationery that people can use in schools, in lots of different places. And we have we got so many sellotapes here, like millions of these, and you can buy these all at Hassan Book Center. We have got all these mathematics books, in all these books in Urdu, and we've got these pencils as well dangling down here. We've got school bags here for people to go to school in, and we have all these notebooks so people can revise and write all their notes in. And we've got lots of school bags here. We've got these school bags for kids to take to school. We got pencils, we got rulers, and we got pencil sharpeners, and we've got all these books for people for exams. Scissors, we got scissors here, and we've got rubbers, different kinds of shapes of rubbers. And we can make you all these kinds of certificates. We can make you posters, leaflets, and everything. We can also make you these good quality stickers and cards, business cards. Different kinds of book binders like this for girls, and this as well. And we have lots of different things, like lots of different books like here. And you can make them all yourself. And this is how we bind things. We use a binder stapler, so we push it down and then it staples it. And then we got all these ink pads here, all these different inks, and we got really good quality pens. Yeah, kahe?
Surprise!
And we've got different markers, like lots of different pens as well, markers, all of these on the shelf. And there's lots of ink pads, like you can draw with a fountain pen as well, with all these different kind of pens you can put in. And here we have got gift wrappers, so you can wrap your kids' present as well. And we have got balloons, golden balloons. We also have these for show, and you can buy this for key rings. Look what we have here. We have a student compass, so you can draw a perfect circle for in your class. And we've got this is a stamp pad, so every time you run out of stamps, you can stamp this, and then it will go back to new. Student compass. And here we have shoe polish, so your shoes become good as new. And look what we have here. We have all these different colouring arts and crafts. So for example, we've got different kinds of pencil case, like a girl's version and a boy's version. And we've got colouring pencils, mini, big, you name it. And we have got the wax crayons. We got in pairs as well. And here we've got crayons, shaped like crayons, but inside there's 12 pencils. And if you open it, there are 12 pencils here. And then these are the small versions. The big versions are at the top. These are big versions, and these are just longer pencils, the same colours but they're longer. Different posters and colours and paintings that you can do. And we have got highlighters here, which are really good quality. They're called neon highlighters, which means they glow as well. Book Center, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, have a good day.